Hey guys, welcome to Napkin AI Labs. It's Father's Day, but by the time this comes out, it'll be past. So happy Father's Day or happy belated Father's Day. Today in this channel, we're going to do something different. I'm going to give you a few tools that is underrated and sometimes used incorrectly. Okay, so we're going to talk about NotebookLM. It's free because free is good for you. You can use it for research. You can use it for podcasts. You can, use it to learn and grow your knowledge. It has, great benefits. And I truly like this a lot. The next one I use this daily. It's Perplexity. Perplexity is very smart. It reads every single thing that has been published or that's on the internet. Okay. So deep research, you want to go to Perplexity. Of course, CT, you want to strategize. And Perplexity is an LLM. It's very, very smart, very, very, very precise. And you can just speak to it. Okay. So just don't make things up. It's going to definitely check your facts. Okay. The next thing that I like is I've been using it and I feel it is underrated is Napkin AI. It gives you info, graphics, business diagram, Facebook diagram, presentation, visual, so it just makes everything look great. And another one is new. I just signed up with it, and it's Superintern. Now, let me tell you, okay, just had a video meeting with him a couple days ago. I love it. I have to say that it can help you with inbox management, task management, research, posting. You can connect your social media. It's very smart. So I am very excited about this. So I guess you can compare it to a digital employee rather than a chatbot. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen. Another one, believe it or not, is LTX Studio. Totally forgot about that. Sorry. It has storyboards, camera planning, scene generation, shot list. It's like a massive time saver. So let's do this. So first thing we're going to do is for me to share my screen. All right, here we go. So NotebookLM, you can just Google it, which, I'll show you because a lot of people don't know how to do this, Just type in, if I can type, NotebookLM, okay? It is from Google, okay? So you can go straight to notebooklm.google if you want to, and it's going to bring you to this right here, okay? Good thing about NotebookLM is great research, okay? So if you want to create a new research, you're going to click here, okay? And on here, once again, it is free. It does not cost you anything, okay? You can upload your files. You can, copy and paste YouTube's URL. It's these things right here, okay? Just copy and paste and stick it right here. You can do web page. You can go to your Google Drive and upload that. You can copy text. Okay, once you've done that, which I'm going to go back, okay, you can, it's going to create, a little information chat here. Now, let's check this out. So on the left-hand side, you can add resources here. I've added 2 YouTube URL, okay? And then 2 articles right here, okay? So you're like, I don't know how to, even add a YouTube URL. It's okay, because I'm going to teach you. You can just, go to youtube.com, okay? Wait until you figure out that you want to do AI, okay? If you want to do or learn anything about, AI, you find the actual YouTube that you're interested in. Okay, we're just going to use this one, okay? And this is the URL right here. You're basically going to click on it, hit copy, and then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here. You're going to add the resources, okay? And this is going to be the YouTube here. And it says paste your link. So you're going to paste your link here and hit insert, okay? So this is adding to the resources. So it's going to, give you like more chats in here, okay? Now on the on the right hand side, because this is the left hand side, on the right hand side, you can, click on audio. You want to do like slide decks. You can do video overview, mind maps, reports, flashcards. You can do quizzes, for whatever topic you want, obviously. Infographics and data tables, okay? For this, I basically did the audio, and you can click on it. It's going to tell you exactly, what the information, about AI, like the latest AI. So you can click on that. And also, I think I did, what did I do? I think, I think I did a slide. Okay. So it's done. And you can add notes here. You can type your, more questions about your subject here. So I'm going to click on this, and this is basically, you can create a podcast if you want to. Let's listen in.
Imagine walking into a high-end spa in San Francisco.
2 people.
You sink into this warm pool, and within 60 seconds, an AI builds a perfect 3D replica of every single organ in your.
Okay, so this right here, you can, download it. You can use it on your podcast. This is like 19 minutes, okay? So NotebookLM is great. It's a great free tool that can help you learn, research, database, collection of documents that you need, and it's free, okay? Once again, it's free. So you can go to notebooklm.google, okay? I feel this product is so underrated. It does so much, but once again, we're just doing basic stuff, okay? So the next thing that I want to do is Perplexity, okay? Perplexity is great. Deep research is phenomenal, okay? You talk to it like you're talking to an LLM, okay? On the drop down, you have search, deep search, and then you have, don't worry about the other two. If you want to do deep search and search, that's what I want you to truly lock in. So I did ask, coming to my history on the left hand side. We have an app called XIRAZEN, okay? So, which is great. It's an emotional tracker. It talks back to you. So I asked Perplexity, I want you to analyze this and give me some options on how to market this, because remember, I'm brainstorming and it's doing research. So basically, it has complete knowledge of what XIRAZEN is, what the site is selling. So I asked it to analyze the best audience, strong position angles, and then it gave me some marketing options, which is really great. I can do content marketing, short form social media, SEO landing page. I can do paid ads, retargeting. I can do community partnerships if I want to regarding this app, lead magnet funnel. It gave me everything, and then it told me best launch plan, and then the practical angles for this site. And then the follow-up, I'll probably, mark this as a follow-up in a couple months, not in 6 months. But it gives me every strategy that I need regarding this, which is amazing, because once again, it does really, truly great research. And I love that. And I use this daily. besides my other LLM. But this is so underrated. And you can sign up for free, by the way. Okay. The next thing is Krea. Okay. Now, everybody use this platform wrong that I feel. Okay. There's three things that it's really good. Instant image generator. You can do ad testing and character exploration. And the fourth thing is the video is phenomenal. You can come to www.krea.ai. Is it Krea AI? And you can actually, what I like about this platform, okay, by the way, you can, non-sponsored, I think you get 100 credits a day. You can come in here and you can search for different things. If you're looking for cyberpunk, get an idea. You're looking for, like 1990 anime. Okay, just search it. It's going to bring up everything that you need. Okay. So it's going to give you some creative thoughts or ideas for any of your project. It is using Nano Banana here, but you can do the enhancer here. For you all, because y'all are beginner, I would check out the mood board and the images. And once again, you can search anything on here and it's going to give you that creative flow. Okay. And once again, non-sponsored, you get, I think, 100 credit a day. Okay. Next one I love is LTX Studio. It has changed drastically. I've done several projects on here. You can do flow, you can do SDR to HDR, you can, enhance your videos. It does have a storyboard, which I have not played with it yet. It does have Canva on here, audio to video. It's very inexpensive. Once again, a lot of this is for my anime, also for my AI Daughter of the Blade project, which is coming late 2026, by the way. But it's beautiful, okay? It's just a great, simple platform, okay, that create amazing, amazing images and video, okay? And it is very underrated, okay? You can do, once again, I love the storyboards. Also forgot to tell you, you can do camera planning, scene generations. It give you 2-3 different angles for different scenes, okay? And I know everybody's having a hard time regarding that. And I truly, I use it a lot, okay? And the next thing I want to talk about is Napkin AI, okay? You can actually sign up for free. I'm actually looking for my notes. Here we go. Yes. But it's great because it can give you great infographic, great Facebook of how to do certain things, how does certain apps work. It gives you like a polished markup. So I actually did put XIRAZEN in. Once again, it's our app. And it told me exactly what, XIRAZEN does. The data, it broke down the key components of, what it has. The data collection, the process, how the machine learning algorithm, the insight generation, interface. This application can be used by personal, but a lot of people use it in healthcare, finance, marketing, manufactured, and it breaks down, basically like some of the benefits. It's an amazing app. If once again, you can download it for free. Yes, I'm going to plug it in, and it is ours, so I can, show it. Now, for going back to Napkin AI, say that I want to a certain portion of this, breakdown. I can actually hit this right here, and it's going to convert for a second. It's going to show me different infographics of Should I use XIRAZEN? It gives you streamline process. It enhances users, experience, but the actual diagram or images are amazing. So I can actually, click over here and I can use like different things that I want to for, like my Facebook marketing. So once again, you can try it out for free, non-sponsored, and once again, it's at Napkin AI. Love it. Also, I'm going to plug in ZeroZen. It is an emotional precision thinking. You can sign up for free. You get 200 conversation. That's a lot of conversation with the AI, and it does speak back to you. We did upgrade that. Okay. So the next one, I just had a meeting, with them. It's called Superintern. And I got really excited about this because it's not just like, a chatbot. It is going to help me, with my inbox, lots of emails, task management, research. So it can help you with email assistant, meeting, do your to-do management, and also content management. So you can hook, it up. And I have to say, I did my first post, not I, but super intern did the first post for X, and basically it created everything. I had to connect I had to connect my account, and it's very safe. Just let you know. I used to be leery about that too, but I'm like, okay, let's do it. And I have to say it was easy. I reviewed everything because it's not going to post without your approval once again. And I looked at it and then I just hit post. It was like simple. So it's going to save me and you some time. You should definitely check it out. But these are all the tools that I feel is a very, very, very underrated. So once again, Super Intern, which I'm really excited. I'm going to do like a full deep dive into it. It's only been like 2 days since I've been, with them. Check out our Zero Zen. Okay, just had to put that in there. Download it. It's for free. You have 200 conversation. You know, it will help you through a lot of things. Okay, and Napkin AI. I think this is so underrated, and it's such a great platform. LTX Studio. Definitely check that out. And then Krea, for your, imaging, and check out the video. Love this model, by the way. Perplexity, so much deep research that you definitely need to do for anything and everything. If you want to learn, it's great. And once again, NotebookLM, an amazing free resources. Okay, I just had to, come on here and give you all that information. Once again, stay kind, hydrate, and I'll talk to you later. Ciao, bye today.